What's poppin', what's Gucci guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I haven't washed my car in like weeks or even months, so it's extremely dirty, and I don't know if you guys can tell by the windshield here, but it's so dusty. I don't know why I haven't washed it in so long. I think it's just because I haven't been going anywhere, but today we are going to San Francisco, and I haven't been there in like over a year, so I'm super excited about it. We're gonna get some boba, and then at the end we might pick up some santung, which if you don't know is super fire chicken wings. Also, another reason why I want to wash my car is because I want to take some pictures by the Golden Gate Park or even by the Golden Gate Bridge. So if you guys know any spots, comment down below, because I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be going to random places until I find something cool. But yeah, right now I'm about to go to the coin wash so I can just rinse out my car and then spray it with some soap. I know it's not going to clean my car 100%, but it's still going to be better than what it is right now. And actually, before I go, let me go outside and show you guys how dirty it is. So as you can see, my car is super dirty. Let's go wash it up. What's up, y'all? We just got to the car wash and there's actually some really cool cars in front of me. Check it out. It's the E36 M3, and then over there is a Subaru STI. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty busy here, so I'm waiting in line. Just to tell you guys what I brought with me, I brought my girlfriend's coin purse, which I put my coins in here, by the way, and then just a couple things like microfiber towels, and then a squeegee to dry off my car later. And then lastly, if you know, you know, the best interior cleaner, because the interior is actually pretty dirty as well. And what really motivated me to wash my car today is the fact that I'm gonna be getting car mats for free. Oh, by the way, check out how dirty my floors are. Like, literally, it's so much grime, so much dirt and random stuff. Same thing on the passenger side. So I gotta vacuum afterwards as well. Anyways, my battery is dying, so I'm gonna conserve as much of it as I can for the car wash. See you guys in a bit. Alright, y'all, quick update. So I don't know what happened at the coin wash, but as I was washing off the soap on my car, I switched it to high pressure wash or rinse, but it just kept going on with soap. And I really felt the pressure because somebody was waiting behind me and they waited for me for like 10 minutes. So I went back to them and I told them like, hey, this stall might be broken, so you might want to consider the next one. After that, I just hurried back home, got my towels and dried off my car as best as I could. Granted, it's not as clean as I really wanted it to be, but it's cleaner than what it was before. Anyways, I'm kind of frustrated right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum my car and then finish it off with this premium super cleaner. Guys, check out the difference between before and after. Take a look. It's still not like the cleanest, but oh my god, it's literally night and day. Alright, and now I'm just going to spray on some of this super cleaner onto the leather, the console, everything, and just wipe it down. What's up, you guys? It is currently 2:48 p.m. right now. We're about to drive to SF, so I'm super excited. I think we're going to the Golden Gate Park first, or like Crissy Field, and then afterwards we're going to drive around the California Academy of Sciences because there's some pretty cool spots there to take car pictures at, so very excited about that. But I just wanted to give a quick shout out to the individual who donated the Tesla Model 3 floor mats once again. These floor mats fit perfectly in my car, and just take a look, like, they're awesome. So it's brand new, never been used before. Over here as well, and then finally the rear. So yeah, I'm very, very happy about that. Super thankful. And you know me, I don't like spending money on things I don't necessarily need, but if I can get them for free, then it's a sweet deal. Time to make the trip. See you guys there in a bit. What's up, you guys? We are finally at the Golden Gate Bridge. In the background here, such a beautiful day out. Like, everybody is out here, so we're trying to social distance as much as we can, but I'm not gonna take car pictures here because it's like literally impossible. I'm just gonna try to take some pictures of myself and maybe post it on like Facebook or Instagram, because I haven't taken a picture of myself in like forever. By the way, you guys, in the 3 years that I've lived here, I don't think I've ever been to SF where, especially like at the Golden Gate Park, where there's not an overcast. So this is extremely rare. Look how close we are to the bridge. And then just around the other side, you guys can see the city over there. Like, there's the Palace of Fine Arts and then the rest of the city right there. Ashley's about to use the bathroom, and I'm just gonna walk on this little pier right here, see what people are catching on the poles. So we're walking back to the car right now. Decided to skip out on the Palace of Fine Arts because the sun is setting like really quick, and we just want to make sure we can get the original pictures that I wanted. Check out this Ferrari right here. Bam! Let me show you guys why I decided to skip out on the Palace of Fine Arts. It's currently 4:49 p.m. right now. The sunset is at like 5:15, and this is the reason why. It's gonna take about 19 minutes to get somewhere that's like 4.5 miles away. So anyways, let's go. Yo, it is currently around 5:30 right now. As you can see, it's like getting really dark outside. I managed to get a couple of pictures of my car at the California Academy of Sciences. Or actually, it's the other side, so it's the Young Museum. But right now, we're just walking to the Enchanted forest for the cool lights that are on the trees. And we're both getting super hungry, so hopefully it'll get darker within the next 10 minutes that we're walking there, and then we can get some cool footage for you guys. This is so cool, you guys. I thought it was just gonna be like still colors, but turns out they actually rotate around. Kind of reminds me of like EDC. I haven't seen these kind of like neon lights in forever. Finally walking to Santong. I'm super hungry, and I think it's almost like 7 o'clock. 6:30 right now. I think our food is gonna take another like 30 minutes or so, because we called in and it kept beeping and it took us forever to try to get a hold of them, and then finally we were able to make the order. So I think there's still like 20 minutes left or so. But if you guys haven't been to Santong yet, highly recommend you check it out. It is super fire. It's like Yelp famous, and it's down here in San Francisco.
A few moments later.
I don't know if you guys can see me right now, but the food smells so good, and we're just going to, I think, Bobaville to grab some boba right now, and then we'll be on our way home. So it says 18-minute drive, and then driving home will probably take another 45-50 minutes or so. Got our boba. Now it's time to go home. All right, y'all, we are finally home. Gonna quickly show you guys the food and then call it quits. But there's the green beans, super fire by the way, and then the main course are the wings. But anyways, it is like 8 o'clock right now. Super tired from the long day trip. It was so much fun though. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.